Okay, so we are going to await this one. I've not explained await to you, but await is like you've ordered something. Okay, so you ordered something and you are waiting for it. That's await. So we use the async to determine the show that like you've ordered something. So if this there is no order, there is no wait.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
So both of them have to be there.
Yes. So you can you can order without waiting. So the async can be there without using that wait. Okay. But it's not having any effect on the code. But
Yeah.
it's only have effect when you have the await. So the await is simply going to I'm going to move this one here. Okay. I'm moving this one here. I'm bringing it at the end of this. Uh, okay. So at the end of this, I'm going to add the to do. Okay. If I don't do the await, the method will execute. This show dialog will execute, and this one will execute. And when it happens like that, we will not get the value. We not like we might not get the value. We might not get the value. So this one, what you are doing here is we want to wait for all these things here to be executed. We should finish working
Before the
before
case
it comes to
is
this one,
done.
anything under
Yeah.
it. So once it is done, we get access to the value so that we can pass it here. Okay. So you're going to say tax controller dot text. Remember the text I talked about?
Yeah.
The text. Do you understand what you are doing?
Yes, I understand.
So the await is going to wait for this thing to close. Okay. So the await is like
Yeah.
it will show. Once it is show, it is still waiting for everything that to be doing. So it continues at the moment this dialog is closed. Okay.
Yeah.
So um
Can you try it out?
yes. So I'm going to write this tax. I'm going to say each right after here. Okay. So you see there's some yellow something here.
Yeah.
Okay, it is an error you will fix. Okay, so
Do you
down
have to
here.
use expand it up?
It depends. It depends on what is causing the problem.
Oh, okay.
So are you seeing any problem here?
That's in with the what we are doing.
Yeah.
So once you are done typing, there's no enter send or something.
Okay. So that's what you have to do. So let me just close here. Then it's still add because of the method I wrote. After it is done, it should be added. Okay. So